I got this memory card. Those of you who follow this channel on Instagram and stuff like that might have seen the post already that I've made. When I see things like that happen, it just makes me cringe. So I got contacted by this client explaining the situation. She was almost in tears. She lost content on the card after the wedding before she had a chance to duplicate the content onto the drive. So the wedding was shot. Obviously the couple is not going to redo the wedding to get the photos. The wedding for some people will be once in a lifetime experience. I guess wedding photography is going to be that like top-notch stuff that you should always make sure that you have a backup of. But if you don't have a backup, there are really like 3 options out there. So the option number 1 is you tell your client you lost data and see what happens. I mean, it's probably not going to be pretty. So I'm not recommending that option. Option number 2 is you find a company that can handle the job. And by can, I mean not think they can't handle it, but actually know what they're doing. Or the third option, you can do the Chandler and Ross technique.
Excuse me, could you take a picture of us?
Oh, of course.
Would you take one of us? Yeah, sure. Click.
It didn't click.
I heard it, see, I heard it.
The wedding was shot with it, and then the card died because otherwise it would have been transferred and edited and delivered. After the problem was discovered, the owner of the card found a company that said, we think we can get this done for you. They claim that there is some sort of a short on the device, and that is the reason why they can't recover the data. Let's have a look at what things look like. So let's find this mythical short their company was referring to. I do see that there's some flux residue. They just probably tried to reflow something like that yellow spot there. They probably tried to reflow this SM2236 GAC controller, which is a go-to controller for a lot of cards. 2 TSOP chips on this side. We got a chip number 1, chip number 2. I'm gonna need a new marker soon. This one is running low on ink. So yeah, no surprises here. I don't see any shorts. I'm not an expert on shorts, but I mean, this would, I'd say, take the memory off and recover direct. Now let's have a look at the bottom side. We should be expecting 2 other chips on there. And there we see chip number 4. And this is chip number 3. So let's see if we got any shorts here that stand out. I do see like a capacitor missing here. They cut it open with a big knife and wow, there is the entry. The knife goes in, it lines up right with the PCB right there, you see it, and then it just goes, takes out the whole side. It's pretty bad, guys. If you watch this channel and this is your work, don't do this. Don't do this. from like the top, I can see there are 4 of them missing. Look at all of these CR2 images. All green headers. So I managed to get it done. Thanks to this tool I picked up at Union Repair. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like only like 10 bucks or something. This thing is called Variable Speed Rotary Detail Carver. My Dremel is battery powered, and the Dremel is this big without even the battery attached to it. The battery is almost like half the size this. And this is the size of the tool. So it's more ergonomic, it's easier to hold it, or you can always hold it like a pen type of thing. I'm sure that the person who sent me this card is going to be stoked to see this video, stoked to hear the good news about the recovered content, because the amount of stress that the person would be going through if they lost somebody's wedding before the delivery, I don't even want to imagine that situation. For all of those who tuned in again, I thank you guys very, very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hit like, it definitely helps us out a lot. I hope you like this. This was fun, and I'll see you in the next one.